Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change navigation buttons in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then here select system. Then here select system navigation. And you are seeing here system navigation to 3 button navigation. As of now it is set to 3 button navigation, that is back button is on left side, home button is on middle side, and recent tabs, this is recent tab, it is on the right side. Okay, suppose if you would like to reverse this button, that is if you would like to bring back button to the right side, and if you would like to place recent tabs button to the left side, yes, you can do it. You can interchange these two buttons. Okay, for that just select this option so that these two buttons will be interchanged. Okay, and now hereafter this is back button. Okay, this is recent tabs button. Home buttons remains unchanged. Okay, so in this way you can easily change order of the navigation buttons if you are using the navigation button. If you would like to use gestures instead of button, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on the second option, gesture navigation. Okay, so using this gesture navigation, just you can swipe from the side of your phone, near the edge of right side or near left side edge. Okay, see here, to go back, what you have to do is just swipe like this, swipe from the right side edge to inside your phone. Okay, so it will go back. Okay, now if you swipe from the left side edge like this, it will also go back. So for going back you have two options. One is from the right side edge swipe inwards, okay, or from the left side edge of the screen anywhere, just to swipe. Okay, so if you suppose if you would like to go to home screen, swipe up in the middle here. Okay, it will go home. Okay, so for viewing recent tabs, what you have to do is just swipe up in the middle and hold. It will give the recent tabs. What are all the tabs already you have opened that are showing. Okay, I am now going to home page. Okay, again I go to settings, then go to system, then go to system navigation and hide bottom bar. Suppose if you would like to hide bottom bar, this is bottom bar, just to turn on this so that it will be hidden, but still it will be working. Okay, in working it will be no problem, but just if you would like to hide it, yes, you can do it. Just to turn on this button. Okay, otherwise keep it turn off. Okay, so in this way you can easily use gesture navigation too. Okay, the next one is swipe horizontally to switch between apps. Okay, when enabled, swipe horizontally across the button edge of the screen to switch between apps. Okay, this is enabled. Gesture navigation tutorial, if you click on it, tutorial will be showing how you can use gesture. Okay, what I told earlier, that be showing as a demo here. Okay, to back to home button, what you have to do is home screen, just swipe up here, success, view background apps. See here, this is tutorial success, and back. Wow, congratulations, you have finished the tutorial. So if you would like to bring back button navigation, again go to the system navigation and keep it in the first option, 3 button navigation. Yes, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.